Professional traders focus on less, not more. Why? Because I was making this mistake many times myself. Too many indicators, too much noise, too many bad decisions. That's when I shifted my focus to less. And that's why I built the KCP Alpha Pro MACD indicator. It shows only one, the essential information that is needed for clear decision. Here you can see in this screen, the blue line shows the real trend. The MACD in green color shows that the momentum, whether it is up or down. If it is up means green color, if it is low means red color. When the MACD turns red, the momentum shift against it. The MACD turns green, the momentum started. That is uptrend. In case of this blue line, that is the trend line. So whenever the price is coming down and the signal is coming down and it is coming down towards the trend, then it is downtrend. If it is opposite, that is MACD is increasing and the signal is also increasing, means that is uptrend. So the trend confirmation here, it is very simple. Don't trade everywhere because this gray area shows that there is no trend confirmation. Only trade when MACD align with blue line. So here you can see that no, MACD is also up and the trend line is also up. And this two red and green line shows that oversold and overbought situation. So there it is, no confusion, no over trading, just disciplined execution. So if you want, I will show you with the real chart how it works. So here you can see that Nifty chart today, and exactly the indicator given a buy signal here, but the MACD indicator here it is shows that it's already oversold. So and the MACD above the blue line and the signal is also above blue line. So then the momentum is up, that is buy side. Similarly, here you can see that now in this place, the MACD start coming down, change the color into red color, and the signal is also coming down, and it's coming down towards the trend line. Exactly, that is downtrend. But the signal is given here, the alpha signal is given here, sell. But where exactly the MACD is given, sell here. So this shows that this is not a lagging indicator, this is premium indicator. Similarly, here you can see I'm checking this chart in 1 minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame, this indicator gives this much accuracy. For example, if you see that in 15 minutes, see the accuracy of the indicator. Here you can see how accurate this indicator. Not only that, you can check with any other indices as well. The accuracy of the indicator. For example, gold. You say check that gold, how it is oversold situation, and the momentum is exactly aligned with the price chart. So that is the uniqueness of this indicator. This indicator gives the overall situation whenever there is a confusion. For example, many a time the traders getting confusion here it is whether it is oversold or overbought, but the signal is buy only, but the moment price is coming down. This exactly captured by the indicator. Here it is. See in gold today, here it is the overbought situation. Here is the oversold situation. So momentum is giving each and every time, and you can make it as around say 50 to 100 points very easily. So this indicator, if you want the script and configuration, please DM me WhatsApp, follow and subscribe my page for more live updates like this, and save this because simple system create consistent traders. Stop loss is God. Thank you so much.